Hey guys, it's George from Gaggia UK. Now in today's video, we're going to show you how to set up your Magenta Prestige coffee machine. But before we get into the setup, let's take a quick look around the machine. So on the front, you have the hot water spout, the adjustable brew head. At the bottom, you have the removable drip tray and the espresso tray. Right at the top in the center, you have the TFT screen with all the controls you need. Now with your Magenta Prestige, you also get a milk carafe. On the side, we have the service door, which reveals the removable brew group. And on the top, on the right, you have the water tank. And on the left, you have the bean hopper. Now that we've taken a look around the machine, let's get into the setup. So the first thing you want to do is peel off this sticker on the front of the TFT screen. Next, you'll want to connect your machine to power and then switch it on at the back with the on-off switch. It will then ask you to select which language you want your machine in. After that, you'll then need to fill up the water tank with water and the bean hopper with your coffee. It will then ask you to put a container under the hot water spout and the brew head. This is because it then is automatically going to go into its priming cycle and water will come out of both of them. Once the priming cycle is complete, it will then ask you to test the water hardness level with the strip provided. You can then select the water hardness level on the TFT screen. After that, the machine will do its final rinse and then your coffee machine is set up and ready to use. If you'd like to find out more information about your Magenta Prestige, or if you'd like to chat to one of our team members via Zoom, you can do so by heading to our website, gaggiadirect.com.